The self-set gravity feed bait station is an ideal and discreet way to effectively target rodent pests in commercial premises, as well as on farms and small holdings. Simply unlock the top of the unit and remove the inner bait tube. We recommend loading the bait rod with the Big Cheese all-weather block bait, but the gravity feed bait station can also be used with most other standard wax blocks. Replace the bait rod and ensure that the wax block bait is now visible in the feeding tube at the base of the unit. As the blocks drop down the bait rod, they present a continuous feeding opportunity for target rodents, but only one block at a time, so ensuring that the bait stays fresh and palatable. The lockable gravity feed bait station ensures safe application of poison baits and protection of non-target species and pets from accidental ingestion. And you are now required by law to use a tamper-resistant bait station when baiting rats. To securely fix the gravity feed bait station, use the wall mounting clip provided. The two-way entry ports and feeding tube are then parallel to the wall, the most likely runway for rats and mice seeking out feeding sites. Check the unit regularly and top up the bait rod as required. The self-set gravity feed bait station for safe and effective control of rodent pests.